In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AliExpress to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your seller tools, how to find the right connector for AliExpress, and what to expect during installation so you can streamline product sourcing and order fulfillment. First, open your TikTok Shop account. This means signing into your TikTok Shop Seller Center or the Seller section in your app, using the account you manage your store with. Make sure you're in the correct region and logged into the store you want to connect. If you manage multiple shops, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, head to the Growth area. You'll find this in your left-hand navigation or main dashboard menu, often labeled Growth or Growth Center. This section is designed to help you expand your store with tools and integrations, so it's the right place to set up AliExpress connections. If you don't see Growth, update your app or switch to the Web Seller Center to make sure you have the latest features. From Growth, click App Store. Think of this as the official marketplace for TikTok Shop integrations. Inside the App Store, use the search bar and type AliExpress. This pulls up all available apps that connect TikTok Shop with AliExpress. You'll typically see several options, often from third-party providers. Each connector may differ in features, pricing, and support. So take a quick moment to read the descriptions, check ratings, and note any fees or limits. Look for mentions of automatic order syncing, shipping updates, product mapping, and inventory rules if those matter to your workflow. Once you find the AliExpress connected app that fits your needs, select it and click Install. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. You'll be guided through permissions and authorizations so the app can connect your TikTok Shop with your AliExpress account. Expect steps like granting access, confirming which store to link, and selecting default settings for products, pricing, and shipping. Stay attentive to any notices about region compatibility and processing times, and review the permissions so you're comfortable with what the app can access. When the prompts are complete, the installation will finish and your connector will be ready to use. If the app offers a short setup wizard, let it run so products and orders sync correctly. That's it. Open TikTok Shop, go to Growth, enter the App Store, search AliExpress, choose your preferred connector, click Install, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the link.